Hello everybody and welcome back to another watch video. I'm sorry it's been a while. That is pure and simply because I am back in work now and I've been focusing on my Twitch streaming more than anything else in my spare time. So it's in the title, you've clicked on the link. It's the reissue of the Seiko Arnie. Now, the original watch came out around about 1983 and Arnie was famous for wearing his own watches in his own movies at the time, and basically he wore the original Seiko Arnie in Predator, Commando and Raw Deal. I've never seen Raw Deal, but I've had a quick look at the poster on the internet and he does seem to be sporting this watch on the photograph. But basically, yeah, it was definitely in Commando, which I'm not a fan of. I'm not really a fan of Commando. I was always a Stallone man in the 80s, so I was never that keen on Commando. I preferred watching Rambo. But Predator, yeah, Predator is absolutely amazing, and if you've got the means to watch it on 4K HDR, I recommend doing so. I picked up the latest release on 4K and it is amazing. Quality is stunning, it really is. So I've wanted this watch for a bit since it was announced, and what happened was I'd ordered this to buy it as a self-purchase, and when it turned up my wife said that's going away for Christmas. So I wasn't arguing, so this is a Christmas present off my wife. So I had to wait until Christmas Day before I could wear it. I checked it in the box to make sure it was alright, but then it disappeared quickly. So that was a quick picture there of Arnie wearing the watch in Predator. And yeah, this is such a nice watch, guys, it really is. I absolutely love it, it's stunning. It is really, really, really nice. Just a bit of a shot of the back there, you can see the camera in shot as well there. Yeah, such a nice watch. I absolutely love it, I love everything about it. It's basically, it's got 3 crowns on it. The original watch just had pushers on the sides rather than screw down crowns. So basically what happens with this one here is, let me just unscrew that. So this is a light for the LCD display at the top. I believe this was one of the very first analog digital combined LCD watches as well. Dive watches, sorry. One of the first LCD analog combined dive watches. And if you hold that button down, it tells you what the battery level is at. What are we at there now? We're at 10. We're at battery level 10 basically, which is top whack. And then if you unscrew this one, by the way, when you're wearing this, I wear my watches on my left wrist. Oh, by the way, guys, anybody interested? That's what I'm wearing at the moment, this morning. But basically, it's yeah, these crowns are easy to, let me get that out of the way. These crowns are easy to kind of manipulate whilst on the wrist. I thought it'd be quite difficult, but not so. So what you do is you've got different modes here. So we've got the dual time there. We've got the stopwatch. We've got the alarm, and then the actual time. So you can have the digital display on actual time there. I mean, in the dark, this thing glows as like all the Seiko watches glow in the dark. It's really, really nice with the Luma Bright on there, whatever they call it. And then, of course, I have it set on the date. But if you kind of push these 2 buttons together, you get the little bell icon up at the top left-hand side, and that means that when you go through the options, then you get this audible beep. And it also puts an hourly chime on, so every time it hits the hour mark you get the hourly chime there, which I love. I love that little bell symbol. I've gone on about this before. It goes back to childhood, that calculator watches and stuff like that. Hourly chime with the little bell. We mentioned it on the Donkey Kong LCD that I did a video of as well. But yeah, to set the time, you basically pop that crown out and you adjust the time by spinning it, and it's all done on the digital display. So whatever time you put this watch to on the digital display, the analog hands then run around the face there and match it. It's really nice way of doing it. And again, the crowns there raise up basically and protect the buttons from being pushed down whilst you're in the water, whilst you're using it for its dive functionality. Got the bezel there as well, really nice bezel. The strap is the usual Seiko silicone strap. I like them, they're very comfy. And there's a quick shot of it on the wrist. 7 inches here on the wrist, guys, and it wears really nice. Very similar to a G-Shock, so you know what kind of flavour you get in there. So yeah, this is the Seiko Arnie. Just wanted to show you. I've been saying I've got a couple of watches to show, and this is one of them. So I got this, like I say, I got this for Christmas. I'm really enjoying it. If you like Predator and you like the 1980s and you're in the market for a watch with simple functionality but comfy as hell and looks the part, I absolutely love this, and I wholeheartedly recommend it. Okay guys, well thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you all in the next video. Take care.